Welcome back to my channel. If you want to keep your car running smoothly for years and even cross the 300-mile mark, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share the top 3 maintenance hacks that will extend your car's lifespan, prevent costly repairs, and keep your vehicle performing like new. The first and most important tip is to follow a strict oil change schedule. Your engine relies on clean oil to stay lubricated and run efficiently. Neglecting oil changes leads to sludge buildup, increased friction, and ultimately, engine failure. Always use high-quality oil recommended by your manufacturer and replace the oil filter regularly. Sticking to a routine oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles can significantly extend your engine's lifespan. Next, let's talk about your cooling system. Overheating is one of the quickest ways to damage an engine beyond repair. Make sure to check your coolant levels frequently and flush the cooling system according to your car's manual. A well-maintained cooling system prevents corrosion, keeps your engine at the right temperature, and avoids expensive repairs like a blown head gasket. Also, inspect your radiator hoses for leaks and replace them if they show signs of wear. The third hack is taking care of your transmission. Many drivers overlook transmission maintenance, but it's crucial for long-term performance. Low or dirty transmission fluid can cause gear slipping, overheating, and costly transmission failure. Check your transmission fluid level regularly and change it as recommended by your car's manufacturer. If you drive in heavy traffic or tow frequently, consider servicing your transmission more often to prevent unnecessary wear and tear. By following these 3 essential maintenance hacks: irregular oil changes, a properly maintained cooling system, and a healthy transmission, you can add years to your car's life and avoid expensive repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more car care tips. See you in the next video.